That time of year again, peeps. Pretty excited about this. This is a time where we can throw on a hoodie, long pants, and go ride and not sweat our nuts off while everyone up north are prepping their Groms and bikes for the winter. We're now finally getting to ride in some comfort. So today, a little wheelie Wednesday, last minute ride, so it won't be much of us, maybe 10 of us, but wanted to try this out. We have the Halloween ride coming up a couple days from today, so I wanted to get this bike tested out, make sure everything is going good. So I'll talk about some of the upgrades that I did. So we're gonna head over to the gas station, and when we get in some light, I'll jump off this guy, do a walk around on the bike, show you the new parts I put on there, and talk about some of the old ones, including this camera bag. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about that. I got the DSLR in there as well tonight. Maybe we'll snap a couple of pictures, but let's go ahead and head over to the gas station. We'll pick it up over there. I'll show you guys the new setup and all the Stunt parts in a bit. We're gonna go ride. We've been waiting for Hector for 30 minutes or so. All right, guys. I'm kind of anxious to go ride and test this guy out on the streets. Dairy Queen. Hey, Hector. Someone tried their Dairy Queen and fucking just dropped it in their Blizzard. You know, when you turn that shit over to see if it's still.
This shit really just doesn't. I'm just like in awe, like that. This shit really don't come out. Like.
It's fucking weird. I think I need to pull my bars back just a hair. Nice sweater.
What up, dog?
Come on, Hector. Get up here. 40 tooth in the back and a 13 up front. Basically, you go about 26 miles an hour.
Oh, dog.
Yo, I put new bars on my bike and now I can't wheelie.
For real?
I made a wheelie Wednesday ride, but I can't wheelie.
What kind are they?
KLX, but I had the ATV mids. Look at that kid just chilling in the front seat. Damn, bro. Put that kid in the car seat. Fuck. I'm not gonna parent shame, but damn, look at that kid. He's just chilling up front. Fuck, man. That's more dangerous than the shit we do. Whoa. Stunner. Real stunner here. Speaking of real stunners. Whoop. Get some pictures. Wait for the light. Look at this little light. Bing, 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 bing. Bing. Hey. Tampa 125. That's Tampa 125. So, man, where are we going? Come on. We're now on your side. Yeah? I'm gonna get these fuckers. We just gotta figure it out where that little point is, that magical fucking point. There we go. Oh god, that's catching up quick. What do you got, an itch? His wig's got an itch. Oh shit, we got feet going up.
Been doing yoga.
I seen that. I'd pull my nuts out. I almost got cramp doing that. You gotta stretch. Not limber like I used to be in my youth. I gotta figure out the balance point on this little guy. It's totally different. I got it. It's a little bit further back. I gotta punch a hole in this little guy though. I drilled a hole in my ATV mids, but apparently I drilled about 7 other holes in it trying to get the little nipple to sit in there. So I didn't want to fuck these up till I figured it out. I think I rotate these back a little bit, rotate these forward just a tad, and then drill that hole and we're good. Oh wow, I gotta get this shit under control. Not happening. Alright. That's not happening. Oh, what the? Man, that's some bad. We're gonna get wadded up like this. The fucking blinker! The cop right here looks like undercover. Nope. Yo, you need a fucking blinker.
He took us to the dead end. We're all like, dead end.
What are you, fucking, you leading us to a trap house? What are we doing?
I trapped you all.
Alright, I'm turning around. He's leading us to a fucking dead end, bro. Hey, little baby. Just gonna go in the front seat probably. You gotta be careful with these Tampa 125 boys. Oh shit. Got right there. Shit. I don't think he's coming. He's working that trap house. Yo! What the fuck? I did a wheelie right in front of him. Where are you taking us?
I told you.
You did.
That's why I tapped my head and I said go left.
I can't hear anything. You're horrible. I'm right and back. The only time I actually pull up a wheelie is a fucking cop sitting right there, right? Thanks, Tampa 125. What?
With the low-riding bike.
Justin?
Yeah, he's still back there.
Why is he back there?
Because the wobbly road, he was in a fucking...
Oh.
He's still back there.
Hey, look, there's a Grom right there. We'll hit the hood market. Booth can't handle them 2-inch bricks. Shaking his fucking head. Alright, while we're stopped here at the 14K food mark, let me just show you the upgrades finally. Brand new stock exhaust, that's most important, but ZNZ rear sets finally. Got the foldy pegs on them. Got the new Manic Machining dual caliper bracket with the big rotor now, so it's a front rotor in the back. Obviously the Get Bent sub cage. If you guys want to pick one of these up, Loopy's 10 will give you 10% off. I don't get any extra money on it, but you guys save 10%. Scoot life. Obviously you guys have seen it all night, but the KLX 110 bars now, so we got to get those tweaked. We got the quick throttle, R6 throttle, and I think that's it. And then we changed the headlight, replaced that. So some new upgrades to the old clapper. Felt like I need to go through. I did a live stream. I appreciate everybody that tuned in. Homie from Japan that threw some yen at me. That was awesome.
Say hi, YouTube. Wait. Say hi.
Besides that, the camera bag, you guys have been asking for that, so I'll put a link down below. It's just a fanny pack for DSLR, which I have zip tied around the bars here, then also underneath the frame neck. So that's all it is, nothing special. So that's her. See, the bag allows me just to throw this guy in there, zip it up, and quickly hit a stoplight. If I can figure out how to do wheelies, I can still do wheelies with it in here. That's kind of cool. Back on the streets. I could have had that one if I just fucking kept on it, but I'm a little bitch. We're gonna lose Booth here. What did Booth do to you? What did he do to you? Yeah. Oh, he's gonna take the sidewalk back. I think we lost Booth. Hector and Booth went to Ybor. Let's just do it like a lap. I'm gonna try to get some. KTM's so big, it fills up the frame a lot easier. They're in the bike lane. They're in the fucking bike lane. This little strip, let me get in front of you a little bit. There we go. That's the money shots right there. Look at that brightness. Holy shit. That's so bright. All right, those are gonna be clean. That was some good natural light. By natural light, I mean big ass fucking LED light. That's gonna look real good. So besides a very practical camera bag I have here, you also got to have the knowledge to, or at least the discipline to wait for those nice little spots. Boom, everything just illuminates crisp. All right, we're gonna put the camera away, try to do one or two more shitty wheelies for you guys. Uh-oh, aggressive trolleys. Oh shit, no, the trolleys, bro. They're aggressive down here in Tampa. I can make that whistle scream. That's a death wish. Going on the trolley tracks. We'll have to do one. He asked if that was a chopper, maybe. Oh shit. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's two. Everybody blue bikes going down today. You alright? Hey, move it aside. Get out of the road. Alright, you guys good? It starts up, let's go. You good? Can you ride?
I have gear on.
Alright, see if it starts. Are you on?
Nah, it's fine. I just need to fix my peg real quick.
Alright, let's not chill here too long. Oh god, get the fuck out of the road! Get out of the road! An aggressive trolley! Oh shit! Oh my god! Aggressive fucking trolley!
I got killed like 3 times.
That's what I'm saying. You don't fuck with the trolleys in Tampa. Aggressive trolleys, bro. They don't fuck around. He's still mad that he went on the tracks. Fucking aggressive trolleys.
I was trying to drag my peg through sparks and that car slipped out.
You did. You dragged everything. You dragged your peg and the handlebars. Everything dragged. He's good? Alright, let's go. Crazy little ride, man. Alright, we're gonna continue to ride. Stay the fuck away from these trolleys, though. That very well may be the chopper, but I don't think he's out for us. We weren't hooning too bad. Damn, look at this truck dropped on its nuts. That looks nice. This is good. Well, we'll know if that chopper's for us or not. Going right here. Vince Pulowski parking only. Sorry, Vince. I'm gonna take this up. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, that is the chopper. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Come to Jesus meeting.
Listen, I know we've had dealers before, alright? I know you guys like running around and doing crazy shit. Alright? But in Evo, we're not gonna tolerate that, okay? Appreciate your cooperation.
No problem.
Thanks, guys.
Be safe. Hey, what's up, man? Happy birthday.
Hey, thanks, bro.
What'd you do, man? You fucking around? You got the caps called? Alright, anyway. We're gonna end it there. City of Tampa, appreciate the leniency and all that good stuff. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. This fucking guy. Yeah.